What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It feels so weird to film again. It's been a while. Sorry for being MIA. If you guys follow me on my social medias, you know that I did move. So this is my new setup. Obviously nothing looks different for you guys, but I've been trying to kind of settle in and get everything set up so that I could film for you guys. So I'm finally done. So I did get a nail kit to kind of do my own acrylic nails, and I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie, but I thought that'd be kind of fun to film with you guys and kind of take you along the process to see if it ends up being a disaster or if it ends up coming out good. Let's get started. So I'm not going to tell you where I got this from because I don't recommend buying from them since it did take literally 3 months to ship to me. I legit thought they scammed me and that I was never going to get this nail kit. So just FYI, do your research before you buy one. But I'm sure you can get something like this on Amazon too. But this one does come with like the little paddle or whatever you call it to do like the gel and a brush. So it's like one tool that has both. And then it comes with the poly gel, which is like the gel you put on top. And it has the top coat and the base coat with it. And then this is polygel liquid. So the only thing that I dislike so far, because I haven't used it yet, is it doesn't come with any directions. So I have no idea like if I mix something together or if I just, like, I don't know where this comes in. So we'll see. And then it comes with the nails, obviously, so it does have quite a few, which I'm glad because I'm obviously gonna need some trial and error nails. And then a nail file. And it also comes with a UV lamp that has like a USB plug and a little stand, so this folds up for really easy like storage. And then if you open it, that's how the lamp works. I also went to Target and got a few different nail polishes, so I have some options. I think for these ones, I really like these colors. So this is like, it's called Impulse from LA Girl. It's like a really bright, I don't know, like a orangey pink, but it's like very neon. And then I got the LA Girl Color Pop, and this is like a shimmery color. So I think these two together will be really pretty, just to kind of do like maybe my ring finger with this on it. But we'll see, because it could also just all look awesome. Guys, I'm an idiot. I have been trying to stick these onto my fingers and I was like, why didn't it come with nail glue? I had to use my own nail glue. They're forms for the gel. So now I'm going to show you how to do it the correct way because it's so embarrassing. I cannot believe I was trying to stick those super thick and I was like, why are they so thick and they don't stick to my fingers? Obviously they're not supposed to. So what you're supposed to do, for anybody that doesn't know, well, like me 5 minutes ago, you take this little like clear, it looks like a nail, but you take it and you lay the gel in it with like brush and make it the shape that you want for your nail, and then you put it on and pop it off. So this just is a form. This does not stay on your nail. Okay, let's get started on the actual tutorial.
Bye.